Ladies and gentlemen, this is what Web3 Bro once again. Okay, so I started mining. You remember CKT coin, Nickt Mining? Remember? I've posted 2 videos already. So this video, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw from the platform. So the mining had finished. So what I have here is claim profit. The one of yesterday has finished, has completed 24 hours. So I'm going to click on claim profit. Okay, have been claimed. Click on confirm. You see now, what I said I started. So that means you need to monitor your account. If you just check your time, if you activate by 9:55, the next day 9:55 a.m. you will come back and claim your profit, and it will automatically start mining again for tomorrow. Okay, for the next day. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to place withdrawal, how to exchange this token here to dollars and then withdraw it to your exchange. Alright, so let's do that now. So it is what it is, and then you will go over to me, where you see me, okay, to where you see me, and then you will click on here where you see CKT USDT, right? Because this is your balance here, you cannot withdraw this CKT token. You can only withdraw USDT. So they have provided a liquidity for you to place withdrawal on USDT. So what you're going to do is to click on CKT USDT, and then the current price of CKT, one CKT is 0.0001, and then you're gonna click on the minimum amount you need to convert is 10,000. You will click here and where you see all. Click on all. What you're gonna get, and remember, 40,000 of the token is $4. 10,000 of them is $1. Okay, so what I'm getting here is $4.2. So I'm gonna click on confirm. Success, it has been redeemed. All right, I've converted it to dollars, so I will have to go back, and then you see what I have now in my wallet. I have $4.74 in my wallet. So now I'm gonna head over to my exchange and copy my withdrawal address. Okay, right now we are in get.io. All right, so I'm gonna click on assets, and then you click on deposit. Click on deposit, click on on-chain deposit. Then you will select USDT right here, USDT. You're gonna select this network here, BNB, right? BNB Smart Chain. I'm gonna select USDT under BIP20 network, okay? So you're gonna click on copy, and then I will head over to the account. I'm right here in my account. Then you now click on withdraw. After the conversion, you click on withdraw. Then look at what they're asking for here. BIP20 USDT. That's what I just copied. And then I will now impute, okay, my wallet address. Yeah, this is where you're gonna put your wallet address. Okay, the last time I put my wallet address, it was saved. It was saved automatically. Okay, look at it here. It was saved. It was saved for me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on all. Okay, but yours, you're gonna paste yours here, paste your address here, and then you now click on all. After clicking on all, you enter your password, your security password. Okay, I've entered my security password. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to click on confirm. Okay, so the number of withdrawal has been exceeded today. So let's wait. Okay, so what I've come to realize is I already withdrew. So withdrawal is only once in a day. Okay, withdrawal is only once in a day. If you can look at the warm reminder, you will see that withdrawal is only once in a day. Not this one now. You will go back and check something else. So withdrawal is only once in a day. So that is what it is. So I already made withdrawal. Let me show you my record. I already made withdrawal right here. Where you see that logo, just click on if you want to know the withdrawal record. This is the one I exchanged, all right? It's one I exchanged to USDT, and the brokerage account, this is the exchange account, this is the USDT I exchanged from the other coin, and this is the withdrawal I made, withdrawal deduction I made. All right, so you see today is 5. You see today is 5. This is the date. Today is 5, so I can only withdraw once. So what you're gonna do is to follow the steps. Put in your BEP20 USDT wallet, click on all, apply your password, security password, and then click on confirm. How to set security password? Come over here where you see where you see me, where you see me here, me. Then you now click on security password. It's right here. When you click on it, you can now put the password of the account. The password of the account is number 1 here, and then your security password here, and then confirm here. You can now click on confirm. You're good. Then you can now go ahead and make a withdrawal. Remember, let's do a recap a little. When you are done mining here, it will show claim profit. You claim the profit. It will come here. It will come to this place here. Then you now click on CKT USDT, this one. Now clicking there, you can now enter all. Click here, you will see all here. Click there, everything will be exchanged. You can click on confirm exchange to USDT, and then you now head over to where you see withdrawal here, and then click on withdraw. That is it. Follow the steps. If you want to make a deposit, the same thing here. Click recharge, and you can now pick this one, and that's it. Pick that one, and then you pick this one, and then you now copy your address here. When you've done with recharge, you come back here and click on recharge complete. That is it for the video, guys. Showing you how to make withdrawals. Okay, in your spare time, when you are done, when you're made profit, accumulate profit well and withdraw, because it's once 24 hours. All right, guys, this is Web3 Bro once again. Thanks for watching. The link will be in the description below. Register with my link below and help us grow this channel. That is it about the video. Register with the link in the description below and invest. The video you can upgrade here. I've posted 2 videos on how to make a deposit, and also how about the site generally. You know, these are the packages you can buy, anyone from VIP 1 to VIP 9. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.